Hey, it's Gunther back again. My BMX bike check. It's 2 at Force Down. Just got it yesterday night. Already took off of the reflectors. I took off pegs because I'm just gonna be doing ground tricks like 360s and stuff to get better since I'm just starting out. It's all stock. I didn't get anything, but I'm gonna be getting clear brake pads. Odyssey long neck grips. I like the cranks and everything, they're really nice. It has kind of contact tires, they come stock with the bike. So yeah, so that's really all I have to say. I got it for $310 at Cole's Bike Shop, Carlisle, PA. Pretty nice. Here, listen to my hub sound. It's kind of hard. I don't know if you're able to hear it because my hub is like super quiet. I will do something for you, but unfortunately it's raining outside and I'm in my basement. We have no ramp to do anything on, so I can't. So, peace.